How to add layout on Instagram story. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a layout on Instagram story. So first thing, simply open up your Instagram application and make sure you are signed in to your account. And once you're inside here, just click on your story section at the top and just click on camera, and what you need to do is simply click on your layout, and as you can see there is a full grid created for you. You can also increase the grid just like by clicking on this option, which will automatically create or update your grid based on your style. So I'll just for now select this. So just click on this photo randomly. If you want a proper photo, you can also choose your way and just click on done and just click on send as well from over here, which will set your story to live. So that is exactly how you can easily add a layout on Instagram. So there's also another way you can do it, and that is by using your photo. So simply click on the photos section just like this and just select any multiple random photos just like this and click on next, and from over here you can simply click on this as well, and just like that you can create your layout with your photo as well. So that is exactly how you can easily create a layout or add a layout on Instagram story. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.